Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Toncoin on your Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, once you are on your wallet, you will see here Tonspace Beta here, and once you click on it, you will see your wallet address and some tokens like Toncoin and Tether. So once you click on Toncoin, you can actually go ahead and deposit it from some other wallet. Clicking deposit and basically copying the wallet address. But if you want to just buy it here on your Telegram wallet straight, you'll want to go ahead and click add crypto. And now you will see options how do you want to add your crypto. So external wallet, so that would be from some other wallet like Binance or so on. And there's also a P2P market option and bank card. So you want to choose bank card, choose Toncoin, click continue, choose your currency. Now how much you want to go ahead and transfer. After that, you're gonna click buy Ton. And you need to do some quick verification to protect your account if you haven't already. And just like so, you can buy Ton with your credit card. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.